wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Laila from Stickers Muhammadiyah Gombong. I will present our study about effect of family triple support on pain in babies during pentabio immunization. For the first, I will explain about the background. The prevention of disease in children is one of the important goals of child nursing services. Providing complete basic immunization is one of the ways that are considered effective in preventing disease on children. The Ministry of Health of the Republic Indonesia has adopted and implemented routine programs of immunization as suggested by WHO. Immunization has been mandatory for all children in Indonesia, but Indonesia ranked fourth highest in the world for the number of children who are not given immunization. Previous studies have reported some factors that influence parents not to give complete immunization to their children, such as the far distance from home to health services, the attitude of parents, and the side effect of immunization. Parents feel anxious when their children receive immunization and hope that they can also express their fear of seeing their children injected during the procedure. In addition, routine injection procedure of immunization are the most common pain that the children experience. As we know that in fact, not many health workers implemented pain management during immunization. Unfortunately, not many workers that I said before, in fact, pain management is important to reduce trauma to children and parents. The non-pharmacological pain management content of parental involvement is needed by child. Presence of parent is evident to give a significant effect on the total crying times and of baby during the procedure. And then FTS or family triple support is one of non-pharmacological distraction technique that we can apply during immunization procedure. FTS is non-pharmacological and non-invasive intervention that involves parents in overcoming pain that babies experience during an immunization procedure. FTS technique consists of breastfeeding in a sitting up position. Head position is higher than the lower extremity, followed by distraction using a sound tone, baby rattles. The objective of our study to assess the effect of family triple support or FTS on pain response in babies during pentabio immunization procedure. This study used a quasi-experimental research design, non-equivalent control group, post-test only design. The sample were 84 babies receiving pentabio immunization in Puskesmas Alian. The sample divided into two groups contains of 44 babies in intervention group and 44 babies in the control group. The sample were selected according to the research criteria and divided into the two groups using a closed envelopes containing the intervention group or the control group. The family triple support was given to the intervention group, whereas babies in the control group receive pentabio immunization while sitting up with their mothers. The FTS was performed by putting the baby in a sitting up position. The head was higher than extremities and followed up by breastfeeding the baby for 2 minutes, and then the pentabio vaccine was then injected, followed by the provision of sound distraction rattles to the baby for 1 minute. In the control group, the babies were put on the lap of their mothers while sitting up during the immunization procedures. During the pentabio immunization procedure, video recording were carried out. The assessment of baby's pain response were performed by the researchers and midwives using the video recording by the use of the face, leg, activity, cry, and consolability or flag instrument. The collected data were analyzed using the Mann-Whitney test. The result of this study show that most of the baby in the study were aged 2 and 3 months old. They are 29 babies or 34.5%. And the most of the babies in this study is girls, is 43 babies or 51.2%. And then this is a result of data normality test. We use Shapiro-Wilk test. The result of the normality test using Shapiro-Wilk test show that the baby's pain response during the pentabio immunization in the intervention group and the control group, p-value 0.0, were abnormally distributed. So we use analyze data using the Mann-Whitney test. Baby's pain response during the pentabio immunization in the intervention group and the control group, we use a graphic show that majority of baby in the intervention group experience moderate pain is 40.5%, and while in the control group all babies or 100% experience severe pain. This table shows that there was a significant difference in the pain response in the babies in intervention group and control group, amount to 1.26. The mean value of baby's pain response in the intervention group is 7.24, was lower than the baby's response in the control group is 8.50. The result of the analysis showed that there was effect of family triple support on the pain responses of babies during pentabio immunization with p-value 0.0. The pentabio immunization 1, pentabio immunization 2, and pentabio immunization 3 are scheduled to be administered at the age of baby 2, 3, and 4 months old. Factors affecting the severity of pain in babies included culture, coping, parental and family support, anxiety, physical health, pain modulation, and child development. Babies with older age usually respond more to pain than those of younger age. Younger babies tend to show more behaviors when experiencing pain, while older babies show more organized behavior and better coping mechanism. The score of pain response of baby in the intervention group receiving the FTS was lower than that in the control group with a sitting up position during the procedure. Breastfeeding can provide a sense of comfort during contact between mother and baby, such as a touch that creates a sense of comfort and warmth from the baby. This sense of comfort and warmth reminds the baby of how comfortable it was to be in the mother's warmth so that the baby enjoys breastfeeding. About position of baby during immunization, we can use a lying on his back, sitting upright, or held by his parents. Parents will naturally watch over and try to entertain the baby during the procedure. The baby should be held by parents in the cradle, hug, or lap position. One or both limbs should be accessible to healthcare providers. There is no single strategy that is best for every family. We can use a combination of multiple intervention is recommended, such as the weekend use of FTS. Clinical protocol for pain management during immunization procedure are required to guide nurses in providing pain reliefs, such as breastfeeding, hugs, and sitting upon the lap during the procedure. Positive experience that the baby has during an immunization procedure have potential short and long-term benefits, including adherence to routine care and vaccination schedule. As we know that vaccination almost in injection procedure. The conclusion of our study is family triple support during pentabio immunization are effective means for reduction of baby's pains. Family triple support during immunization is effective, easy, simple, non-invasive, and cost-effective, and has a positive effect on reducing pain and has no side effects on the baby. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.